What's the meaning of a frame tent? A frame tent. 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 An A-frame tent is a type of camping tent that is shaped like an A when set up. It has two poles at either end and a ridgepole that runs along the top, creating a triangular shape. The tent is typically lightweight and easy to assemble, making it a popular choice for backpackers and hikers. Because of its sloping sides, an A-frame tent is not spacious and may not be suitable for families or larger groups. However, it is great for solo camping or couples who value simplicity and portability.